So here's how you can check how your HTML CSS website is appearing on your phone device, or maybe other may call it how it is responding to your mobile device. Take a look. When we view our outstanding website on the desktop device, it is appearing like this. When we scroll down, it is very well organized, and even the pages are okay. The logo is well placed, and as you can see. So we want to check how it can appear on the mobile device. So we will use what we call debugging, but by doing debugging, we'll need to do first what we call developer options. So after, you'll just go into a new tab and just click Chrome, inspect, just click enter. Then from there, before doing anything else, go to your phone settings and then go to where there is about phone. Click there. You want to enable the developer options. Just click where there is builder number. Make sure you type 7. Make sure you click 7 times, so that it can enable the developer options. So after becoming a developer, now you can go back and make sure you have allowed the debug option. Just click where there is additional settings, and then come to where there is developer options again, and then just allow debug. Just scroll to where you will see allow USB debugging. Click there, turn it on, make sure it is on. From there, just click OK. So guys, from there, go back, and in your phone, you can now plug in your cable. You should see a request like this. Just click always allow, and then click OK. Now when you come back into your screen, into a desktop screen, you'll see something like this. So what we'll do now, we'll need to take some IP addresses. So just type local host, then semicolon, and then 5500, and then for the port number 5500. This because the 5500, it is the IP address of the Visual Studio Code. As you can see, I'm using Visual Studio Code in doing my coding or creating my website, so you'll just need to do that. And then from there, copy that copy that IP address and then paste it where there is where your phone or your phone browser is appearing, and then click open. Then from there, you are supposed to see something like this. As you can see, your phone screen will appear here, and also the phone that you have plugged the cable will appear. You will see the same thing as you are seeing here. So now you can adjust your screen, and even you can divide or you can see your phone directly, or maybe just opposite your Visual Studio Code. You can just try to arrange your desktop very well so that you can be seeing all the screens at the same time. So if you do any changes on the Visual Studio Code, the changes will just appear directly on your screen, and you will be able to see how compatible or how your website is arranged on your mobile device just directly from your Visual Studio Code. And that's how you do it, guys. You can do anything now, and feel free to arrange your screen in any way you want, and that's how you can test the appearance or the respondents of your website on a mobile device. So guys, try that, subscribe, and enjoy your coding. Thank you.